Hi, this is Chris Roshnaut, 24K on Instagram and 24K on Twitter. Today I'll be unboxing the JLab Audio Epic Air Sport ANC True Wireless Earbuds. It comes with an ANC app, movie mode, active noise cancellation, and a wireless charging case with over an incredible 70 plus hours of playtime with the charging case. So it gives you some details here. You can go ahead and pause the video anytime and read those details. It comes with a bunch of tips we'll show you for the earbuds. And here are the different levels of ANC that you can control with the app. And these are brand new earbuds from JLab Audio, and as you can tell, great warranty, satisfaction guaranteed right there. Going inside the box, you see the case for the headphones, but we'll show you the ear tips first. Apple doesn't even give you this many ear tips, and these are the foam ones that feel amazing right there. Those are the signature ear tips. And here is the earbuds themselves. They're for sport, so they fit around the ear. And as you can tell, it goes into the ear at an angle, and they have different microphones on the outside for the noise cancellation. You can also use these for phone calls. So they're angled so you get better audio right there. And what we like about all of these cases from JLab Audio is that they offer a charging cord that's built in. So you just peel it off and you plug it in to charge. And it's also wireless charging. You can see the symbol right there for wireless charging. You set this down on a wireless charging plate and it goes ahead and charge, and you have the lights here that tell you it has a full charge in the case. And here's the other ones. So you have two earbuds right here, and they fit nicely in the case. This is the JLab Audio Epic Air Sport ANC True Wireless Earbuds. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments, and of course, thumbs up.